My son, what brought you to the great shrine of Wizzy Baby? The great Wizzy Baby. I want make money. See my lappy for ya. When people they use, they make money. Me, Sammy Bone said they like this. I don't use this thing, they work for me. I want make money through Yahoo. I want make money. Oi! You want make money? You mean you want become Yahoo boy? They tell you. I go do one for you. Drop 10 naira for the gods. Hey! Hey! Great Wizzy Baby. Great Wizzy Baby. Oh, well, I yell. What you want kind of monkey? You move Wizzy Baby night bar. Wizzy Baby, one more. Hey, moon in a brumo. Kubedi. Hey, the gods has answered your prayer. The great Wizzy Baby. What did they tell you now? Don't be play. If I make this money, I go give you 30 billion. If I make this money, I go build mansion for you where you go carry this your shrine put inside. If I make this money, I go even buy the latest Benz and Rolls Royce where they rain for you. You mean if you become Yahoo boy, you go buy me Benz? I tell you. You go give me money and food. You go build me skyscraper where this my shrine go there inside. Nothing tell me since. I can't dey play. I beg kneel down, we'll make this thing serious. Kneel down. Waiting for those do things. In Jesus' name I pray.
Jesus! Apostle, we have this.
See, I want to do me blow. Father, anybody will say this boy no go blow, no go become Yahoo boy. Any native doctor will say no go become Yahoo boy. May thunder strike that native doctor, make the beg for street. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. 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 Fire!
Ìwọ là ń lọ ènìyàn.